What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Got your boy J Quill here. Basically, what we about to do right now, we about to clean the water filter in the Keurig. We're gonna clean that and show you how to do that real quick. Quick little simple video. All you need is pretty much a bowl. And you wanna take this out right here. We're gonna clean this too. Dump all the water out. What you wanna do is you wanna take this out right here. Take this out. Alright, turn that real quick. Get that off. We gonna put it on. I forgot where I had it at. So what you want to pretty much do is take this off. You want to clean everything you do here. So you take this right here out. You gotta also clean that. It'll probably don't look like much, but this is what you want to do here. You want to take this out right here. This is the water filter. Take that out. I don't smell anything. So what you want to do really, first thing I do before I start doing anything, I make sure I clean everything with pretty much dish detergent, a little soap and water. Alright? What you want to do here first, this box contains the solution that gotta go in there. What's in here? Got a couple of rinsing cups. We ain't gonna need that. All I really need is this. The video is about this right here. So all I really need right here is this. So pretty much you want to do with this right here. If you read the instructions, it says soak for 5 minutes and rinse up to 60 seconds. So what we're gonna usually do, I got some warm water here. So pretty much what I do is you take this, you set it in here like so, like that. You take some warm water. Fill it up until it goes over it. Then I'm take that water, mix it with a little cold water. So what you want to do is fill it up until that thing start floating. Now you're gonna leave that in there. You're gonna leave it in there for like 5 minutes. Just pretty much 5 minutes. You're gonna leave it in there. So we're gonna leave that for 5 minutes. We're gonna let that soak out. So while that's soaking for 5 minutes, what we're gonna do is this. A little bit of soap and water. You wanna wash everything. Wash it out. Don't apply it too hard. You don't wanna push the screen in there. Just wash it out. A little soap water ain't gonna kill it. You wanna wash the inside too. Rinse it out. Rinse it out real good. A little soap and water. Let it sit right here on a little towel there. Did this one here. So, you know, you can let it sit. But you're supposed to change them out. You're supposed to change them out every 2 months. I used to do 3. So you're supposed to change them out every 2 months. Depends on how you use the thing. I didn't use it a lot, but I use it a lot now. But when I first bought it, I wasn't using this thing a lot. So it's already what, the 2nd month. So you're gonna do it for 2 months. So by April, right? So you're gonna set it for 4. So if it's already the 2nd month, you set it on the dial for 4. You change it in April. The reason why I said 3 months, because sometimes you can let it go on to the end of that the end and the beginning of the last month. So just wash it out real good, rinse it down. Let that set for about 2 more minutes. So while that's setting, like I said, you have to clean the inside of the screen. You got to clean that. So a little soap and water cleaning from top to bottom. So let it sit there. So at the same time too, you want to clean everything. Just wipe it. Give everything a good cleaning, because we're going to clean that too right there. So this is the first video on how to clean your water filter. How to change and clean your water filter. Because you're going to have to let it soak for 5 minutes. You want to clean everything, especially inside here, because like I clean mine all the time, but some people who don't, they buy these machines and they really don't clean them, and then the machine sits to the waste dryer. But I use it, so you gotta clean it out. So pretty much let it sit to the side right here. About a minute left. Like I said, you're gonna let that soak in there. So it's pretty much simple, you know. Like some people, they just clean the water filter and they don't clean the inside. When they come down to clean the inside too, I clean the inside with soap and water. I'm just not gonna just put the water in there and rinse it around and don't clean all up in there, clean back here. You know, you gotta clean the whole thing. At the same time, you gotta wipe everything down. So pretty much clean everything while you're at it. Get yourself in a cleaner mood so that you ain't never gotta question yourself if you cleaned it or not. So we gonna let that sit for about a minute. Hey, I like to clean, so don't mind me. So you're just gonna clean everything up. Once you finish cleaning this up, then we take it out, and that's it. So to keep your coffee tasting fresh and keep the machine running, and you know, for a good period of time, if you ain't trying to buy another one, you're just going to pretty much, that's it. Now what you're going to do is get all that cleaned up, ready to go. So all you're going to do really is take this out, pour this water out right here in the sink. Put that to the side. And you're going to rinse this off for 60 seconds in cold water. Just let it run in cold water for 60 seconds. $60 seconds. So all you're really gonna do is take this, sit that back in there, put that on the top of it, pop it in, set your dial to April. If you're doing it now, you set your dial to April. That's 2 months from now, and there you go. It's clean. Pretty much about it. This is how you clean. This is how you change and clean your water filter. But make sure that you wash everything down with soap and water. You want to clean all of this. You want to clean everything. So all you gotta do is sit this back in here like so, and that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get back at you with another video. Like, share, subscribe. Salute to all of my coffee lovers. Keep drinking coffee. We out here.